I'm back with my next episode of Sunday Stories. And today, as you must have seen the caption is Aji. Aji was an old lady who was working in a couple's house. Old maid servant. She was working in the house of this couple, husband and wife, young people. But she was an old maid in this house. In fact, she had only helped the man's mother when this boy had taken birth. The couple, husband and wife, were staying, and when the husband had taken birth, this Aji was the person who was working with this man's husband, this man's mother. So in fact, she was just like a mother who had brought him up. Lot of respect this couple had for this lady. But now, she was 85 plus, old lady. But she had never taken a day off. She was staying all alone. Her sons had grown up, got married, and had shifted to different places to work. Daughters, she had married them off. She used to stay alone. Every day, at the stipulated time, she was there in their house. She used to work till evening, then go back in the evening after cooking all the food, after doing all the works. Lot of love she bestowed on them, and they bestowed on her. But as she was aging, the man, one day when he was wearing his shoes, he noticed the way she was trembling, her whole body was trembling. She was old, she was a little bent, And he looked at her, did not say anything to her, but when she was not around, she talked to the wife and said, "See, she is very old. Tell her not to come. Keep a young maid to work for us. We can give her a lot of money. We can make her future secure. She's the one who took care of me when I took birth. You give her clothes and all. We'll do something that every month, we can send ration to her house, and she at this age, she needs to rest." The wife too, felt the same. She said, "Yes, in fact, I wanted to tell you that she is so hardworking. She doesn't take any day off. She comes to our house every day, does all the works so very nicely with such a lot of love. But right now, it is her old age and she needs to rest." So then they both decide that they'll tell her not to come from the next month onwards. And in fact, he says that he would go down and tell the watchman. While going to office, he would tell the watchman to arrange a new maid for this family. So this is all decided that you talk to her, tell her, make her understand that from this, after 2-3 days, the new month starts and she needn't come and she needs to rest. So now this lady, is in thoughts. How to tell this old lady, they used to call her Aji. Aji is Amma. How to tell her not to come? She would feel so bad. Such a hard-working, sincere, diligent, regular lady she was. Always regular and punctual at her work. So anyways, that lady comes and the man has gone to the office. The lady comes and very nicely she greets the child, and she, every day she used to, pat her hair like this, and then today when she comes, she takes out a box and she says, last night I made besan ke laddu for you. So this lady, she says, my God, Aji, you went so late. You went back home around 7:30, and after that also you made laddus for me. Why do you work so much? You're so old now. She says, no, I like doing for you. You are just like my daughter. So she quickly, she's quivering and trembling and all, and she starts doing the work. So this lady is sitting and watching TV, and suddenly this ad comes of vacuum cleaner. So this lady was sitting and watching how the vacuum cleaner could go inside at every places and clean the areas. So this old lady, the maid, Aji, she looks at the television and she sees that, she's looking at an ad for vacuum cleaner. So maybe she wants to buy one. Maybe I'm not able to clean her house properly. She starts cleaning every corner, every side and all. So this is noticed by this lady of the house. She notices, my God, she's trembling so much and she's already bent and she has pain in her knees and back. Still, she's trying to clean, and she quickly changes the channel. She understands, all right, this is because of this ad. So, whole day, this lady of the house, she keeps moving, how to tell her. And the husband also calls and asks whether you have told or not. Tell her that she needn't worry. I am there. She has taken such a lot of care of me since birth. I will make her future secure. Just tell her. So whole day, this lady is very tensed, and she opens her almirah, takes out new saris and all, and then packs it. She does a gift pack for her, and while she's doing the last core of the work. In fact, she helps her today. She helps her a lot in the kitchen, and she says, Aji, you start making this. I will help you making chapatis and all. But, Aji was so used to doing things alone. She used to say, no, you go and sit. I feel happy if I cook for you and I, feed you, and your husband is just like my son. I have brought him up. So anyways, it becomes evening, and there's the bell rings. So this Aji, she says, no, you sit. I'll see who is at the door. And she, the way she walks, she has a hand here at her waist, and she's already a little bent. She goes, she opens the door, and there's a new maid standing over there. And the maid says, the watchman has sent me. You people need a new maid. So you can, talk to me and we can decide. So this Aji is shocked. She feels very bad. And she keeps staring at that lady, and she sees that, yes, this girl is young. I am old. This family needs a young maid. So she just keeps standing, and she's an old lady, emotional lady, and she has tears in her eyes. In the meantime, the lady of the house comes at the back and says, all right, you can start working from first. When you come tomorrow, we'll talk about all the other terms and conditions. So you can come tomorrow in the morning, and I'll explain, and then you tell me how much you want. So Aji is very upset. And then she calls Aji inside and she says, Aji, come, I have to show you something. That Aji is crying and crying. She has tears in her eyes. She says, Aji, don't cry. You have become so very old. You are trembling. Why at the age of 85 plus you have to work so hard? This is the time when people should work for you. You have to sit and eat nicely. She says, no, I don't have anyone. I can't go to my daughters. I can't go to my sons. They are out of station. And I like coming to your house because I feel he is my son. I have brought him up. So you love me so much, just like my daughters. I feel more homely with you people. That is why I come every day. Even if I'm not well, I don't take a day off because I feel better if I see you people. You both are like my children. But yes, I realize you need a young maid. So this lady goes inside and she says, see, sit here. She makes her sit on her bed. She says, no, I'm not going to sit on your bed and sit on the floor. She said, no, sit here on my bed. And then she gives a gift back. She says, what is this? I don't want all this. She says, open it, Aji. So when she opens it, she's still crying, she's sobbing, her tears are coming out. So she opens the gift bag and there's this beautiful saris, and she says, see, festivals are coming and Diwali and all are coming. So you need new saris to wear. You'll wear these new saris. Then there's a small box with some artificial nice jewelry, American diamond and all, matching with the saris. And she says, see, you will match this sari with this and you'll wear with this and you'll look very beautiful. So she's still not happy with the gifts and all, and tears are coming out. And then she sees there's one wallet. She opens that wallet and there's a lot of money in that. She says, I don't want money. I don't want, what will I do with this much money? I come here, I work for you, I eat here and I go back. I don't have this much of expenditure. I don't want money. I want to keep coming here. Then there's a letter. And she says, Aji, read the letter. So she reads the letter and she says, Aji, I am just like your daughter. He is just like your son. Can we adopt you as our mother? And Aji doesn't understand and she's crying and crying. She says, you have always taken a lot of care of us. You have been working here for last 25-26 years when he was just a kid. Since then, this is the time. Now you need rest. Can you please be our mother and stay with us? And my God, just imagine that lady's emotions. She cried and cried and cried and she didn't know what to do. She was the maid of the house, now being made the mother of the house. She says, now you need rest and the new maid will do the work. You will supervise all the work. You will. I want to be free, she says. I want to be free, Aji. Now you will sit on the sofa. You will watch television and you will keep supervising whether the new maid is doing the work nicely or not. She will do everybody's work, even yours. So emotional Aji became, and by that time the man also came back from office and she hugged both the children. And she said, there's no one who is so fortunate as me, as your Aji. Do let me know whether this option is a good option or not. Adopting someone who has cared the whole life for you as a mother. Do only parents go and adopt children? Should something this not start now? There are so many widows. There are so many women who need families. They can do anything for you. And especially like Aji, who had been working in their house since that man was a child. Do let me know how you like the story. Write in the comment section, share, subscribe, please, please, please. Let our channel grow. Goodbye, take care.